and now it's time for us to customize this store. So, click on this online store option. Here, you can see that the current theme of our store is the Dawn theme. And when you click on this View Your Store button, you'll be able to preview your current store design. This is the default Shopify theme, which is not bad, but for this store, we are going to use a different theme. So let's go back to our dashboard now, and then go to Themes. Click on Explore Themes options, which will take you to the Shopify theme library. Here, you can find hundreds of Shopify themes, but most of these themes are really expensive, and I personally don't like to use these overpriced themes. You can filter the free themes from here. To design this store, I am going to use the Trade theme. This is one of the latest Shopify themes, and it contains every feature that we need to design our store. You can click here to preview this theme. Make sure to preview it on both devices. And if you like it, click on this Try Theme option. And within a few seconds, this theme will be added to our store. Next, we need to click on this Publish button to set it as the default theme of our store. And now, if you click on View Store button, you'll see this completely different design. And this structure is looking much better than the last one. And we can customize this theme as per our requirements. So, let's go back to the dashboard and click on Customize. This will take us to the Shopify store editor, from where we can manage the overall look and feel of our store. Inside this editor, we can edit all of our pages, like our home page, product pages, collections, and so on. Next, on the top right, you'll see these icons. You can preview your store in different screen sizes using these options. On the left-hand side, you can see the structure of your page. It always starts with a header at the top and ends with the footer at the bottom. And in between is the content of the page, which consists of multiple sections. As you can see, this theme has already added some sections for us, and it is already in a good structure. We can simply fill these sections with our own content, and our store will be ready in no time. Of course, you can remove these sections by clicking on this trash icon, but for now, I will keep it as it is. For your better understanding, I will hide these sections by clicking on this little eye icon. And this will leave us with a blank canvas, which only has a header and a footer. So, let's start with editing the header. First of all, we have this announcement bar at the top. You can add promotional messages and latest offers in this tab. Next, I want to add a logo in this header. To do that, we need to go to the settings on the left, and then go to the logo option. Next, I will upload my logo here, which will then be visible on the header. Next, I will change the background color of the header, so that the logo will be visible to everyone. This theme contains 5 different color schemes that we can use. We can also add our own brand color, which I will show you later on. For now, let's use the white color for the header. Next, you can also change the logo position using these options. I will simply put it at the center. You can also adjust the size of this logo from the settings. Okay, now it's time for us to edit the homepage template. We already have these sections here, so I will unhide them one by one and fill it with my own content. First up, we have this image banner. Here we can add our banners that will highlight the latest offers that are going on our store right now. To create these banners, I will use a free tool called Canva. Simply go to Canva and create a free account. Then click on this Create Design option, and then search for banners. Select the banner option from this list. This is the Canva editor. On the left-hand side, you'll see these pre-made templates. We can use these templates to save our time. This one is looking good, so I will select this one. And as soon as I did that, you'll see that I've got similar banner recommendations. Editing on Canva is very easy. I will simply select these images and then click on this trash icon, and then I will click on Delete Image. And just like this, I will delete all these images. Okay? Now I only have to add my own product images here. And in case if you don't have professional quality images, then you can go to this website called freepik.com. This website contains thousands of stock footage that we can use without any copyright issue. Simply search for the type of image you want, and you'll get tons of recommendations. Next, select the image you like, and then simply copy it. Then go back to Canva and paste it on this banner, and then you only need to drag and drop these images to one of these frames, and the images will automatically adjust to the frame. And I am going to repeat the same process until all 5 frames are filled with the images. Next, I will select this text and change it to New Arrivals. I will delete these unnecessary text from the page as well. I can also change the fonts of these texts. Canva has a huge library of fonts that you can use on your designs. To download this banner, click on this share button on the right and click on download. This was just a simple banner that I created with Canva, but you can make many professional banners with this tool. For example, you can try different backgrounds on this banner and check which one suits the best for this banner. Alright, now I will go back to the Shopify editor and upload the banner image here. Once the banner is uploaded, I will reduce the overlay opacity to 0 and change the banner height to medium. I also want to remove these overlay text, so I will simply select it and then click on this trash icon to delete it from the banner. Next, I will select this button and change the button text to Shop Now, and then link this button to one of my collections. Now, whenever someone clicks on this button, it will take them to the collection page. Next, I want to change this button position. I want this button to appear here at the center of the banner. So, I will select this banner and then change the desktop content position to bottom center. There are so many options available here, which will help you adjust the content position according to your banner. For my banner, the best position is bottom center, and then I will also change the alignment to center. Next, we also have the color schemes here, which will help you change the color of this button. And with this step, our banner design is complete.